Yo, what's up guys, it's ApTreX here. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at Gamehub Lite, which is the most optimized and safest version of Gamehub Windows Emulator for Android. If you guys know, then basically Gamehub Emulator is actually considered as a risky software by many antivirus tools. So people get pop-up all the time saying that Gamehub is not safe, even though in my opinion it is safe, but it has unnecessary permissions. As you guys can see, it requires all of these unnecessary permissions, which makes this emulator very unsafe. So one developer started working on something known as Gamehub Lite. So this is basically the Gamehub emulator, but much more optimized and in a lesser file size compared to the original version. It does not require any unnecessary permission. It is very clean, safe to use, and it is a completely open source project available on its official GitHub. And an amazing part is that you also get Antutu version of Gamehub emulator now with the help of Gamehub Lite. With Antutu version, you get more performance while emulating PC games on even processors with MediaTek or Exynos. In Gamehub Lite, you can expect even more performance. You guys can see some people uploaded a test between Gamehub where the minimum FPS was 23 and maximum FPS was 72 in normal Gamehub. But in Gamehub Lite, you guys can see minimum FPS was 33. So this is actually amazing. The main developer had found all of these like spywares, tracking HDKs, 31 invasive permissions, credentials, and much more. Now if you want to try out Gamehub Lite on your Android device, you'll need to first remove the old official version of Gamehub emulator, though it's not completely necessary. Anyways, once you add the Gamehub Lite version on your Android device, tap on the agree button and immediately you will see that our emulator will get started. After a few seconds of loading, you guys will see there will be a cutscene of Cyberpunk 2077 for some reason, but I'll just go ahead and press the back button, and there we go, Gamehub emulator has successfully started. In the Lite version of Gamehub emulator, you will see brand new icons for PC emulator and also the games that you import. But as you guys can see, it can have some crashing issues here and there, as this is the first launch of Gamehub Lite and not the official complete version. So here you guys can see a brand new theme UI is present. But let's tap on import PC game, allow this permission and go back, because you'll need to import your PC games. We'll select the PC game that we want to play, for example GTA 5, and everything else will be auto added as before. So simply tap on the confirm button. Afterwards, as usual, the Gamehub emulator will start adding all the necessary stuff that is required to play PC games on Android, such as the firmware, Proton, Wine version, VKD3D, and much more. So let's wait until this is completed. But once that's done, simply tap on the B button to go back, and here we go, we have Grand Theft Auto 5. The cover art is also minimalized, so you don't get the original GTA 5 cover art which you get in the Gamehub emulator. But let's start applying the best settings. So we'll go to the main game settings, and here we'll go to compatibility, we'll go to translation parameters, wait for few seconds until all the parameters are loaded, and then select the extreme translation parameters. Afterwards, go back, and in terms of everything else, GPU driver, by the way, make sure to use the latest Mesa Turnip Adreno driver, which is the 25 3.0 if you have a Snapdragon processor. But as I have a Snapdragon Elite processor Android device instead, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, I'll go with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. For Mali GPU Android devices, you'll need to go with the default system graphics driver. Anyways, once that's done, DXVK version, make sure to keep it as default 2.3.1 asynchronous. Fix version should be 2025 September 10th build, and everything else you can keep it as default. Simply go back, enable touch controls, and that's about it. You can decrease the game resolution if you want to, so that's what I'll do. Afterwards, I'll go back. I'll go to PC game settings once again, as I want to enter container desktop and import my GTA 5 save game. Anyways, you guys can see the loading screen has also been changed here. But here we go, our emulator has successfully started. Let's enable full screen, and I'll just go ahead and paste the save data in program data and paste it right here. So here we go, I have successfully added my GTA 5 save game. Now I'll simply exit the container desktop, tap on the exit button, and let's see how much FPS do we get while emulating GTA 5 on our Android device inside the Gamehub Lite version. So now that the game has begun, you guys can see we are getting pretty amazing experience in terms of gameplay performance. Gamehub emulator gives us the best FPS ever compared to any other Windows emulators for Android. GTA 5 can be easily played at 60 FPS if you have a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor Android device or even Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The performance of Gamehub Lite is also similar to that of Gamehub Windows emulator, but it may be higher in some other scenarios. But do let me know in the comment section down below what do you guys think about Gamehub Lite. If you would rather use the normal Gamehub version or Gamehub Lite, I want to know your thoughts about this emulator in the comment section down below. Apparently this is much safer than using the normal Gamehub emulator, so do let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about it. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.